It's a hot day outside and I realise that the ice I put in my drink has disappeared. Where did my ice go? First, let's break it down. What is water? Water is a liquid made of particles called H2O. I'll use blue to represent water as a liquid form. When water is a liquid, the particles are loose and what we call free-flowing. This means the particles can move about. Though the H2O particles can move, they stay together in a group because of an attraction. This is why the H2O particles don't float away. But when these particles are frozen, a change occurs. When you place water into a freezer, the low temperatures cause a physical change to occur. Because of the sub-zero temperature, the H2O particles that were once free-flowing are brought closer together by stronger attractions. After some time, the particles come together to form a hard, fixed shape. This is also known as a solid. Now we have an ice block. I'll use red to represent H2O when it's frozen as ice. It was a hot day outside and I wanted my water to be ice cold. I placed one ice cube into my glass of water. I went inside and returned to it later to find the ice had disappeared. Why? Where did it go? How did this happen? When the ice block is placed into the water, the temperature is no longer sub-zero like it is in the freezer. The attractions between the H2O particles lessen as the ice block melts back into its former liquid state, into the heat. Slowly, the ice particles begin to move again and flow into the glass of water. Here we show this again with a red ice block that we made with red food dye. Watch as it melts back into the glass of water. So where did the ice go? It returned into the glass as water. When ice blocks are melted, it turns into water again. Fun fact, did you notice the level of the water in the glass? It stayed at the same level. But if the ice cube became water, wouldn't that mean there would be more water in the glass? Why has it stayed the same? This is because when the ice cube is placed into the glass of water, the glass and the cube have a particular mass. When the ice cube melts, its particles equal its previous mass. So this means when the ice becomes liquid, it holds the same mass as when the ice cube started as a solid.